Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 16x plus 64. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to simplify and solve this quadratic equation. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of the process and be able to confidently solve similar equations on your own. Let's get started. First, let's look at the expression x squared minus 16x plus 64. To solve this, we will begin by recognizing that this is a quadratic expression which we can try to factor. Notice that both the first and last terms of the expression are perfect squares. Specifically, x squared is the square of x, and 64 is the square of 8. Hence, the next step is to determine if the middle term, minus 16x, can be represented as twice the product of the square roots of these perfect squares. The calculation here involves multiplying 2 times x times 8, which results in 16x. Since the sign of the middle term is negative, our product should also be negative. Therefore, we can express this quadratic expression as x minus 8 squared. In step 2, we simplify the expression we found. We already identified that the given quadratic expression can be represented as x minus 8 squared. Now we expand this expression to check if it matches the original problem. When we expand x minus 8 squared, we get x squared minus 16x plus 64. Since this expanded form matches the original expression, we have confirmed our factorization is correct. Thus, the final simplified form of the quadratic expression is x minus 8 squared. This completes the solution to the problem x squared minus 16x plus 64. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.